Hey everyone! Today, I want to share with you how to use Google Docs for classroom collaboration. It's super easy and can make group projects a breeze. First, open Google Docs and create a new document. Then, click on the Share button in the top right corner. This allows you to invite your classmates to collaborate. Next, type in their email addresses or share the link with them. You can choose whether they can edit, comment, or just view the document. Now, here comes the fun part. You can all work on the document at the same time. No more waiting for your turn. You can see each other's changes in real time. If you want to leave a comment or suggestion, simply highlight the text and click on the comment button. This way, everyone can see your thoughts and contribute to the discussion. And guess what? You can even chat with your classmates while working on the document. Just click on the chat button on the right side of the screen. Lastly, don't forget to save your progress. Google Docs automatically saves your work, but it's always good to double-check. So there you have it. Using Google Docs for classroom collaboration is a game changer. It's easy, efficient, and makes working together a breeze. Give it a try and see the magic happen.